Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we are going to be making a fall wreath using an embroidery hoop. You will need one scarecrow, and mine came from Hobby Lobby. You will need 3 bunches of fall floral picks, mine came from Dollar Tree, and 1 embroidery hoop, and mine came from Hobby Lobby. And you'll want to take your wire cutters and just snip off the wooden stake off of your scarecrow and save the stick. And then you're going to want to pull off carefully your flowers off of the stem and save the leaves. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that my daughter helps me on almost all of my craft projects. So my daughter's making this wreath all by herself, guys. So I think she does a fabulous job on it. It turns out really pretty. And this was all her idea. She came up with the design and everything on her own. So here she's just hot gluing the little scarecrow onto the embroidery hoop. She just glues its bottom to the wooden embroidery hoop and lets it dry. Make sure you do not glue the scarecrow to your table. And then she's just using some more hot glue to glue its little arms to each side of the embroidery hoop. And that is the smaller scarecrow from Hobby Lobby, and it's either $2.99 or $3.99. I really think it was only $2.99. And now you're going to want to just take your flowers and your leaves and hot glue them on each side of your scarecrow, just hot gluing them onto your embroidery hoop. And our picks from Dollar Tree, the one with the fall leaves, came with some little berries on the end and an acorn on the end. So if you're going to Dollar Tree, kind of look for one of those that has some like bonus features like an acorn or something, because she used it to embellish the bow, which you'll see it in just a minute. But here she is, she's just hot gluing all the flowers on. And for more support, you might want to add a strip of like burlap ribbon across the back to kind of make everything be more cohesive. And then you might want to hot glue the stick that you cut off the scarecrow back onto the back for more support too. So she's just hot gluing some leaves onto each side of the little scarecrow's outfit. And so it's nice and full. Very simple to do and really cute. And now she's adding the stick back on for support. And we did not add a ribbon across the back, but I bought a roll of the burlap ribbon. And so I had plenty of ribbon. I could have added a strip for support, but we didn't have to. But if it makes you feel better, add that ribbon to the back. And here it is, all hot glued together. And I did tie this bow. This is the only thing I did for her, was tie a little bow, and it's very simple. She could have done it herself, but I'm just doing a little single burlap bow, and the ribbon came from Dollar Tree, and it does have wire. Just real simple, and you're going to need some floral stem wire close by. My floral stem wire I guess I knocked it off the table or something. I had to get another piece. That's why it took me so long. But here I'm just wrapping the floral stem wire around the center of the little bow, twisting it tightly. Now you could cut off the wires and just hot glue the bow onto the embroidery hoop, or you could do like my daughter did. She just wired it to the top of it. So either way, it will work. It's very lightweight. If you do decide to cut your wires, make sure you don't cut them too short. Leave a little bit so that it doesn't come untwisted or anything. But here she's just cutting off the extra wire and gonna fluff her loops. And then this is the acorn that came on the floral pick, the fall foliage one from Dollar Tree. So she added it to the center of the bow, and we just hot glued a pipe cleaner to the back of the wreath to hang it up. And here it is, guys. So simple and inexpensive to make. I think she did a great job. What do you think? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and please like and share. And I will add the materials list in the description box for you. Thank you for watching.